Hey everyone, Marika here. So, what's the first thing to do when you're ready to create a page for your business? The very first thing. Before you start connecting with people through your business page, go to facebook.com and sign up. That's how you create a personal account. We call it a profile. Why do you need to have a profile before you can create a business page? Well, the main reason is this. Businesses don't exist without people. So any business that's here on Facebook needs to be related to at least one person. Make sense? Also, your page works a little differently than your profile. Your page helps you tell people about your business, not your personal life. And a page has special tools to help you do that. For example, you can add a shop section to your page, which you can't do from your profile. And with a page, you can get insights about how people are responding to your business on Facebook and find out what type of people love your business most. Your page gives your business a bunch of new ways to connect with people. So let's get you started. Ready to create your page? Start by signing into your Facebook account. From your Facebook newsfeed or profile, click this upside-down triangle in the top right corner. I like to call it the pizza button because it looks like a tiny pizza. Click the tiny pizza and choose Create Page. After that, just follow the prompts. Here's a pro tip. This little pizza is also where you can go to find your page once it's all set up. I have more tips on how to get the most of your new page. Keep watching.